The Rain, by the soul poet Nicola. My love, why did you leave me here? I can't believe you would do this to me. Yes, it's not within my expectancy, but I should have remembered that you had done this to me. I thought you loved me, cared for me, but the ability to do this to me, once, now twice, I have finally come to reality. That maybe you were the worst thing that happened to me. You know my hopes, my dreams, even my fears of this darkness that you left on me. I won't tell anyone you did this to me, that you left me all alone in this giant house. Rain pouring, thunder storming, the flashing lights. Each flash sees you empty by my side. Why did you leave me here? That night, when I told you, how when I was small, I became afraid of the dark and all my responsibilities, of how I had to become a woman, without maturity. How the storms gave me fright, and had me up late at night, how the rain brought tears of pain and memories, my childlike voices playing at me. You were there, when I said all this, and you said,
"Baby, it's okay, it's just a little storm, no need to fear, I actually like the rain, it's beautiful out there. Come and see with me."
There I was. In your arms, your safety, your charm, watching the rain and the thunderstorms as they flew by me, no fear, no regrets, no anxiety. Because you stood by me. Now look at me, scared to death that the rain might take me to another place. Another reality, of being under the bed with all my responsibilities. I just don't understand. Why did you leave me, here?